right, here it is, all finished. Don't have a yard yet, but we'll get one once the spring comes and they can give us a yard. And I'm gonna take you guys through, give you a quick tour of our new Ryan Homes Columbia model. Take my shoes off. Front door. This will be our office space. Zoom out a little bit. Office space. This will be the living area. Stairs. Entry to the basement. We'll go down there in a second. Here, it's gonna be the dining area. You got the covered porch. And here's the island, stove. These are quartz countertops. GE appliances, nice sink. Everything looks nice. Here's our only half bath. Nice window. There's Olivia, say hi. Here's the pantry right here. Right off of the kitchen. Here's another closet. Coat closet, maybe for shoes and stuff. All right, here's the garage. Three-car garage. These are Wi-Fi accessible garage door openers. They'll connect to our phones. So if you're away and forget to close it, we can still close it. It's Olivia again. Bring it downstairs real quick to the basement. Now, basement. Have here. Hang the TV over there. Here's our third full bath, along with a fourth bedroom down here, probably a guest bedroom. Shower down here. All right, we'll head back this way. It's another area for storage. HVAC system, water heater down here. Another big space. We'll probably turn this into a home gym. Maximize all the space. Now I'm gonna head back upstairs. To the HVAC. Head upstairs real quick. Right there, it's gonna be a chandelier. Came in broke, so can't put it up yet. Up here, it's a loft space. Turn this into space for the kids. Look at my previous videos. This was always the bedroom I started in. It's Olivia's room. Girls' bathroom right here. So quartz countertop in here as well. Shower. All right, heading down. This is the laundry room. here. Sabria's bedroom. It also has a LED light in here as well. All right, here's the master, or the owner's bedroom. LED lights, ceiling fan, nice big room. Crazy thing is, the closet is just as big as the room, with a window. You see the indented ceiling. It's our view. Nice little walking path out there. There's the covered porch. And here is the master or owner's bathroom. Everything's good to go in here. The Roman shower. And we also have a nice little private toilet. No toilet paper yet because of the coronavirus. All right, back out here. And that should be everything. That's our new home.